And I can write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you. How is everybody doing? Welcome along to the guitar lesson for Shawn Mendes' latest song, If I Can't Have You. Alright, so this lesson, it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to get straight into it. If you're into more Shawn Mendes songs, there's a link to a playlist below, or it should pop up right above. I have all his last album, most of the tracks on it taught. So in fine detail with diagrams and everything, if you want to check it out. So let's get straight into it. My name's Dave Donoghue, and I'm going to bring you through this lesson. Okay, here we go. So to begin, you're going to get your G chord, and then we have a D with an F sharp bass. That's a regular D chord with your thumb on the 2nd fret of the E string. Then you have a regular E minor. The count on this goes as follows. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 3 and 4 and 1, and it speeds up like that. For any ear players out there, that's how it goes. So the last bit, that everything means nothing, there's some rather nice chords here. So it's a G major 7, and that's your index is put on the 5th fret of the D string. Your ring finger is put on the 7th fret of G. Your pinky put on the 7th fret of B. Everything means. Then a nice simple way to change to the next chord is as follows. You move your index back a fret, then, so that's on the 4th fret of the D string. You put your middle finger on the 5th fret of B, your ring finger on the 5th fret of E, your pinky on the 6th fret of G. That's an F sharp minor 7 chord. So it goes, everything means nothing if I... Now great news, slide this down 2 frets, can't have you. And that's an E minor 7. So those 3 chords specifically, and the other ones ahead of it, you will find listed in the description of this video. Okay, so that is our chorus in the simple version. So it goes, I can't... 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and sometimes you can anticipate it if you like that sound. So you do that 3 times, and at the end it goes, everything means nothing if I can't have you. And that's 3 downstrokes. Okay, now we're going to get into the verse. The verse, if anybody has spotted it, it's similar enough. It's like a homage to Ain't Nothing Holding Us Back. Or There Ain't Nothing Holding Us Back, to be very precise. So I'll play the verse once again. Alright, let's sort that out. So, you will see the tab appear above me right now, and you can follow along with that if you wish. Now, if you play by ear mostly, you can just follow the tab notes, and if you want to count along with the notation, that's cool too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the shape I'm using here. I have my index on the 3rd fret of E, my ring finger on the 5th fret of A, then my middle finger on the 4th fret of G. That's what I get. Now the count goes as follows. It goes 1 E and add 2 and. I'll do that one more time. 1 E and add 2 and. that speed. So that's the first bar. It's like a G major chord too. You'll spot the bar chord is very tight to it. Then you're going to move your index back, so we're on the second bar now, so you see it's 2 on the E string with your index, then your pinky on the 4th fret of the A string, then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. That's what we get there. And all you need to do then is, for the 7-9-7, slide this shape up here. And if you wish to use different fingers, feel free. I just find these to be the handiest ones myself. And they do work on big guitars, in case anybody's watching going, hey, it's alright for you with your little guitar. So, now, the third shape is index on the 2nd fret of A, pinky on 5th fret of D. Really like that shape. There's a good punch off it. Then the next bar you play that again, then you're back to the 2-4-2. And that is the whole line. Now the thing about this is as follows, it's that to get the punchy sound, it's a good idea to palm mute the bridge of the guitar. So move your palm over the edge and use all downs. That's what you get instead of there's a cool little lick there, just a little bit added into the first bar at times. You'll hear it on the recording. You started the same with the 3 and the 5. Instead of playing the 4 straight away, you do a hammer on from the 2nd fret of G to the 4th fret of G. Now that part is played for the verse and the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus being, oh, I'm good at keeping my distance, you know that you're the feeling I'm missing, you know. That part. And if you want to know what lyrics site I'm referencing, I have it left down below as well in the description. So we're back to the chorus. Now, we're nearly there with the whole song. The chorus, I've already shown the easier chords. Well, all you need to do is use, if you want to use bar chords, use your G major bar chord. Then, it's a D with an F sharp bass played like this. And again, I'll have this in the description below. So you have thumb on the 2nd fret of E, pinky 4 on D, index 2nd on G, middle finger 3rd on B. So it goes. Then everything means nothing if I can't have you. Now for you players who play more beginners stuff, you could just do everything means nothing if I can't have you. You can just do G, D, E minor if you wish instead there. So that's the chorus, and then we're back to the next verse. And I'm just going to breeze through this. Then we have the pre-chorus, which we've covered. We have the chorus again, and the bridge is the same as the verse. Same thing again. Then we're back to the chorus, and that is the whole song. If you have any questions on it, let me know, and let me know what other songs you listen to and what you're most looking forward to next about the next Shawn Mendes album. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you soon.